Today we're diving into one of the most talked about aviation projects of the decade. The new 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, designed as the successor to the legendary MiG-31. This next-gen interceptor promises hypersonic speed, space-edge altitude, and cutting-edge stealth. Let's explore what makes the MiG-41 such a game-changer. The legacy behind the MiG-41 Mikoyan's MiG lineage is famous for speed and altitude. The MiG-25 shocked the world in the Cold War with Mach 3 performance, and the MiG-31 became the fastest operational interceptor ever fielded. The MiG-41, sometimes called the PAC-DP program, aims to push that legacy even further. Built for the realities of modern air and space defense. Mission profile. Interceptor of the future. The MiG-41 is designed first and foremost as a long-range interceptor. Its core missions include defending vast airspace, destroying hypersonic cruise missiles, tracking stealth aircraft, and even targeting low-orbit satellites. Unlike multi-role fighters, the MiG-41 focuses on speed, reach, and raw interception. Power, hypersonic speed and altitude. One of the biggest headlines is speed. The MiG-41 is rumored to exceed Mach 4 to Mach 5, placing it firmly in the hypersonic category. That means it can respond to threats faster than any current fighter. Altitude is just as impressive. The aircraft is expected to operate at the edge of near space, far above conventional fighters, giving it a massive detection and engagement advantage. Advanced engines and airframe to achieve hypersonic performance. The MiG-41 will likely use a new generation of variable cycle engine, optimized for both subsonic efficiency and extreme high-speed flight. The airframe is expected to feature high-temperature composite materials, possibly with titanium and advanced ceramics, to survive the heat generated at Mach 5. Every surface is designed to balance aerodynamics, stealth, and thermal control. Stealth and radar signature. Unlike older MiGs that focused purely on speed, the MiG-41 integrates stealth shaping and radar-absorbent materials. While it may not be as invisible as a pure stealth fighter like the F-22, it's built to significantly reduce detection range, especially critical when closing in on advanced enemy aircraft and missile systems. Next-gen avionics and AI assistance. Inside the cockpit, the MiG-41 is expected to use AIS. This includes sensor fusion from radar, infrared search and track, and space-based assets. The pilot gets a complete battlefield picture in real time. Some concepts even suggest optional, unmanned or remote-assisted modes, making the MiG-41 a bridge between manned fighters and future autonomous interceptors. Weapons. Dominating air and space. The MiG-41 isn't just fast, it's heavily armed. It's expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles for destroying bombers and stealth fighters, anti-hypersonic missile interceptors, anti-satellite weapons for low-orbit targets, All of this fits inside internal bays to preserve speed and reduce radar signature. Role in Russia's defense strategy. Russia's vast territory requires fast response times. The MiG-41 fits perfectly into this strategy by providing rapid interception over thousands of kilometers. It's meant to counter emerging threats like hypersonic missiles, stealth bombers, and space-based surveillance systems. Comparison with other fighters. While fighters like the F-35 or J-20 focus on multi-role stealth operations, the MiG-41 is in a different category. It's closer to a high-speed guardian of the skies, combining the spirit of the MiG-31 with futuristic tech and space-age performance. Challenges in development. Reality. Building a Mach 5 aircraft is incredibly complex. Heat, fuel, efficiency, materials, and engine durability are all major challenges. MiG-41 represents not just a new plane, but a leap in aerospace engineering. What the MiG-41 represents. The MiG-41 is more than a fighter, it's a statement. It shows a push toward hypersonic dominance, space-linked warfare, and AI-enhanced combat. If it enters service as planned, it could redefine what an interceptor is in the 21st century. Final thoughts. The future is fast. The new 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands at the edge of science fiction and reality. Hypersonic speed, space level, altitude, AI, avionics, and extreme interception power make it one of the most exciting aircraft concepts ever revealed. Asterisk, asterisk. Thanks for watching Bike Zone. If you want more deep dives into the world's most powerful machines on land, in the air, and beyond, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.